So you're ready to get started with National Motor Club. Excellent. Now let me tell you a little bit about the membership application process. Now National Motor Club takes a little bit of time to generate, official membership number and to send a membership kit and everything to you. But they don't wait until you have this official membership for you to be able to use the service right away. You're actually able to use what's called a reference number in place of your membership number in case you need to use the service before everything gets finalized, all right? Now there's two ways to get started. You can get started online or you could get started by paper. Now the online way takes 72 hours to generate a reference number. So if you don't mind waiting a few days before you're eligible to use the service, then you can do the online method. But if you want to be covered right away, then I suggest using the paper route because each paper application actually has a reference number right there on the paper application. So you can use the service right away if you need to, all right? So if you're ready to choose one of those two options, just check out the information below. It'll tell you exactly how to do so. Thank you for your service and have a great day.